In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple, professional stomach massage routine. Benefits of these techniques can improve digestion, aid constipation, reduce bloating, and relax the parasympathetic nervous system. What are the contraindications for stomach massage? Well, firstly, if the client is pregnant. However, if you have a separate massage qualification specifically for pregnancy massage, that would be okay. Other contraindications can include recent surgery, hernias, ulcers, menstruation, or any abdominal discomfort. We're going to start by applying the lotion, and I'm going to use a diamond shape effleurage. So we go up to the sternum, across the sides, and back to the bottom there in a nice diamond shape. So it's quite superficial working on the abdomen, no real deep pressure. From here, we can move to an effleurage technique where we're going from the right side. So have a look at your anatomy and have a look at why we're doing it in a clockwise direction. We're going to put a picture up of the colon so you can see, but we're going to be going from the bottom right and up the ascending colon, across the transverse and the descending colon. If we did it in an anti-clockwise position, it would help back the body up. So we need to be doing it in the correct position and the correct rotation here in the abdomen. Now from here, we're going to move to a triangle shape. So from the bottom right, we're going to slide up to the xiphoid process area, the bottom of the sternum, slide down this way to the top of this hip and across the bottom. It's got a nice large triangle. We're going to now move to a kneading technique. So we can knead on the far side. And then on the near side, you can go around the couch or you just drop your posture a bit, bend your knees and work on the near side here. Then we can move to a finger kneading technique. So the same as the first technique, we're going to be kneading up the ascending. So on the right side of the body, across the top, across the transverse, and then down the descending. Once we get to the bottom, we can just slide across and we can repeat that maybe 3 or 4 times. So a stomach massage really as a whole, it's not very long. The whole thing might take about 5 minutes. You can repeat these techniques more than I'm showing you in the demonstration. Another nice technique on the abdomen is skin rolling. So we pick the tissue up and then roll away. Pick up, roll away. For this technique, you might want to come around, so keep contact and do it on the far side. We can move from that technique to a finger slide in the same pattern. Slide across. And then to finish it off, we can use the diamond shape effleurage that we started with. So up to the sternum, down to the side, and to this bottom section. And to finish, just place your hands on the client, and then we'll cover them up. So if your client mentions in the consultation they are struggling with some of the symptoms, it's a great massage to add on, but make sure you get consent for it.